by far the best love hotel we've stayed in. A lot more features to check out too, including these lights. Ooh, there's a love manual. So much to see. You actually have a sauna in the room.
We have a sauna and cinema. Can I have your IDs?
Don't worry, it's too cool.
Wow. Well, check it out. I'm gonna walk up.
That is epic. No idea what would happen if there was a fire. Great on fire. Hey, the lift's here. At least you can see the sky. There we go. Wow. Now this is, there we go. Ooh, I like the smell. All right, well this is the next level up. So much to see. Whoa, look at this toilet. At least there's some privacy when you're taking the shit in this one. Yeah, got bubble bath, I guess. There's no weird stains on it, so that's a plus. Ooh, there's a love manual. Cupid's love manual. I don't even know what that means. Rice list. Whoa, for 1.2 you can get a happy birthday, will you marry me?
Wow.
Sign. Ooh, they sell condoms. They sell drinks. Warming sensation. Playtime mojito flavored. Play vibrations connect. Nivea extra. Wow. So that's, I think, is the pro part, is the fact you actually have a sauna in the room. Love toys. Ooh, it has a tantra guide, Kama Sutra. Ooh, here we go. Some positions for the thingy, for that mat.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Oh wow.
Oh, seizures.
Turn off the light. Oh.
Fuck my eyes.
Look at the wall.
Change that.
This is how you make love. Ooh. Turn off that light.
There we go. To the stars. The green stars in the middle.
You can turn off the red lights in the thing too. Wow, what a shower. That almost...
I'm not sure how comfortable I feel with you watching me shower.
Well, I can go to the bathroom, the toilet over here, and only just kind of see you. So we have the Kama Sutra of the love seats. Oh, you can do romantic setups. Whoa! So you set it up here, jump in, you got the hot bath. That's pretty pro, man. Just a man in his sauna. Yeah, there's oral sex water. I've never even heard of that before. Hamer. I don't know what a hamer is. They have vibrating rings. So the piece de resistance is the thing by the bed, which has some platinums, Durex, Hamer, ginseng and coffee. There's those. There's a doctor. There's the oral sex water and lube as well. All in all, this is a pretty is this a garbage bag? Yeah, there's a garbage bag in the room in case you want to throw out your friend. It's getting steamy in there. So you can do romantic setups. You can have flowers, I love you on the bed, happy birthday. What else? More. Oh, you can buy cosplay. Sexy cosplay. Free? It says free, but I don't know.
How much?
It says free, but again, I can't read yet to know what actually you had to have done. Ooh, they have like the maids for free. Japanese one.
Oh, the outfits.
Yeah. Airline hostess. There's music in here somewhere. Have fun with Cupid. They've got proper speakers in here too. Now there is some type of projector TV here. Oh, there we go. We can watch Netflix Can watch YouTube. The internet seems to be pretty slow, so that's probably gonna be a negative for me, but okay, we're finally here. Whoa, they're signed in as someone else. Yeah, this is how you pick up subscribers. Oh, they're getting subscribed. Yeah, come through. Just a dude watching himself on a projector screen. Me with that in the background. I get excited by seeing myself on the big screen. Just me watching me. Love Hotel for one, watching myself. It's you. Give myself a like.
Oh, is this all free?
No, it's all paid for.
Son of a...
It includes oral sex water, which I don't know what oral sex water is. They do have tissues, so there's that. Turns out love seats double as good cinema chairs too. They also have the wine, which is unique for... Like none of these other ones have had wine in there. Or cozy coffee. Full minibar. This is by far the best love hotel we've stayed in. Even this angle here, like the background of it is pretty sweet. Just two friends sharing a bed, watching ourselves on a projector in a love hotel. No homo.
Damn right.
After having a shower and a sauna there, getting you right in the mood. Imagine the next person who stays here logs into this and then they see a review of this room. That's the ultimate prank. You do that, subscribe on a channel with no videos, and then you go and upload something like dodgy that you just did in the room, so that the next person, when they come into the room, they're like, wait a minute, what is that stain? Oh my God, that's that guy. Then I decided to check the watch history. Nothing too exciting here. Yeah, I was really hoping there'd be something of just music. Well, I mean, there's kids shows, so who doesn't want to rent a love hotel room and then watch kids cartoons in between their house music? Imagine staying here with your wife and kids and again, more cartoons.
No, maybe some people just want a private sauna and they rent out this room.
To be honest though, yeah, it probably is worth it just for the sauna. I love the privacy. Oh, I can see you. I can still see you. I guess it would be more arousing. You see kind of a figure there and then, yeah.
Are you getting aroused right now? Is that what you're saying?
Now I am. Now the mood is on and we're in the mood for...
I actually can't see you now.
Really? Yeah, I kind of can't. I can see a figure, so it does kind of have that aura about it and entertainment.
I won't lie, like, I would probably pay the extra for this room.
This would be a very romantic place to actually go for a honeymoon. Or honeymoon's probably the wrong thing, but an anniversary is what I meant to say. You come for an anniversary, you get the decorations on the bed. I don't know if I would propose in here, because that would be a bit odd.
Do they come with a ring as well you can buy?
Well, a certain type of ring, not a ring for that, but an adult ring, yes. I mean, if you open the window, you're looking straight out into the road. I mean, they did black out the toilet, so that's good. But you are literally one thing away from looking at the road. The smell in this room is good too, I like it. So yeah, this hotel was 330,000 dong for the hour. So it's definitely a little bit more, but I would say definitely worth the extra. Less stains. Yeah, we haven't seen any stains in this room. And to be honest, there doesn't appear to be much. Like if we look around, there does appear to be the odd, I don't know what you call that, like bit of grass, which I don't know where the fuck that came from, but yeah, somehow there's a little bit of grass here, like that behind the bed, but other than that, there really doesn't seem to be any stains, no remnants of previous people. All in all, pretty clean. Cleaner than most hotels for sure. They even give you a plastic bag, so there's that. They have toothpaste, they have Listerine, they have bubble bath, makeup remover, they have a kettle, hair dryer. There's a lot of things in this hotel that other hotels don't have, even fancy ones. Bubble bath, shower, conditioner. Even the sauna doesn't appear to have remnants of other people, so all in all, definitely this one gets my tick of approval. All right, so what would be your final rating of this room? Out of 10.
This one I'd give a solid 8.
Yeah.
At least.
I don't feel like if you brought a woman here that they would be ashamed to come here, or that they would feel dirty.
They might actually want to come here.
Yeah, they would want to come here. They'd want to take some selfies. They'd want to watch some cartoons on your... If you lived in an apartment that looked like this, you'd probably get dates. Although they probably would think you're like some sleazy creep. But gives you an excuse to bring them back to the room. Hey, you want to come check out?
The box.
Yeah, yeah. If you have that box by the side of your bed, then maybe. Yeah. Now for the best part of renting these rooms, the walk of shame as we check out.
Yeah, this one I'm actually sad to check out.
Yeah, I would have liked to have stayed here, but it is what it is. Yeah, don't leave anything behind. You get 2 pairs of slippers
My
in here.
underwear, yes, yeah. I thought I forgot something.
Wait, you left your underwear?
Yeah, I was showering, so I had to dry the underwear. What else is going to be stuck in my pocket? Alright.
That would have been a nice present for them. You leave your underwear behind.
And the video of subscribing.
I think we offer value to these hotels by subscribing them to the YouTube and giving value to their future people. If you're in the future staying in this hotel room and you've seen this, chuck us a comment and we'll discuss stuff. I don't know. Dare to go down the stairs.
Alright.
Let's just take the stairs.
I'm gonna take the stairs down.
There's a fire where we Just there we go. I feel like there's a good chance of me not making this. That was a big step. Yeah, check out. Done?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and check out one of my Love Hotel reviews here.